Why are you getting worked up? Please, Biki Saha will now, and Joydeep Mukherjee, Biki Saha and Joydeep Mukherjee will now debate. Please calm down with Sanju Verma and Smita Prakash. We have a hashtag Shah Storms Bengal, and I want to just tell you one thing, Biki Saha and Joydeep Mukherjee. The Trinamool Congress had an emergency meeting today. Firhad Hakim, Subrato Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee were sitting along with Prashant Kishore. And the whole thing was, what do we do? At the end of the meeting today, Mr. Joydeep Mukherjee and Biki Saha, the party had no solution. In fact, the only discussion was whether any of the members who were in the meeting were also going to quit tomorrow.
No. In the end of the debate, I can say only one thing.
So, Suvendu Adhikari is joining the BJP tomorrow. If Suvendu Adhikari joins the BJP tomorrow, what are you going to do next?
So
what?
So what?
Okay,
so
why
what?
do you say so what? It doesn't matter to you?
With respect, I am just...
Explain so what?
It is my prediction that Trinamool Congress party will form the government for third time in the West Bengal in the coming election. It is because the Trinamool Congress, the only leader is Mamata Banerjee. She is a mass leader, and the last 10 years, what she did for the peoples of the downtrodden peoples of the West Bengal, the development work, on the basis of the development work, the people of West Bengal will cast their vote in favor of Mamata Bandyopadhyay. And the opposition leader, those who are claiming that... So then tell me, sir, pardon me. So then please tell me, why were there 5 resignations in Malda? Why were the 5 Trinamool Congress presidents in various parts of Malda, why did they quit?
Let me speak.
Why is everybody leaving?
This question, Arnab Goswami.
No, nobody is leaving. They are the small figure of the local area.
No matters who are leaving and who is inside the party. There is no problem who are...
So I can say only one thing to
there is no hurry.
May I come in, please?
Be confident that Trinamool Congress will cross the 225 seats in the next
Audio is not very clear, yeah.
election.
Oh my God. No.
You are making claims.
There's no way you will cross 225. Let me tell you very categorically. Trinamool Congress is today a sinking ship. It is a sinking ship. Suvendu Adhikari is not just another MLA or MLC. Suvendu Adhikari controls constituencies in Bankura, East Midnapur, West Midnapur, Purulia. Suvendu Adhikari controls 110 assembly constituencies indirectly, and his direct influence is across 60 to 70 assembly constituencies. Point number 1. Point number 2. The fact of the matter is that there is huge amount of infighting within the Trinamool Congress with your Consumer Affairs Minister Sadhan Pandey directly accusing Firhad Hakim, your Urban Development Minister, of gross corruption. Point number 3. People do not like the fact that Prashant Kishore, who has 0 base in West Bengal, was simply shafted and parachuted into the Trinamool Congress, and now he's overriding everybody, which certainly has not gone down well with the masses within your Trinamool Congress. Point number 4, in terms of governance, Trinamool Congress is 0. In terms of transparency, Trinamool Congress is 0. In terms of corruption, Trinamool Congress is 10 out of 10.
Who said that in the transparency issue?
Trinamool Congress is 0. In terms of connect with the masses, Trinamool Congress is 0. Mamata Banerjee today,
if there is no development, why the things are changed like this?
Abhishek Banerjee,
you go to Jongal Mahal, you go to Bakura, you go to Bishnupur, you go to Medinipur, and please watch out what Trinamool Congress government have done.
Confined to her ivory tower. And her nephew,
come to visit Bengal, visit the rural, visit the urban. You can see the change.
You cannot have leaders who run states by proxy, and that is precisely the
All
reason
over
Suvin Bhaumik to come in.
India,
less than-